everyone, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Ways to Clad, and today we discuss something very, very close to my heart, which is a daily routine of a dropper. Now, because I was also a dropper, so I understand the mental pressure that comes with being a dropper, because you have already given the exam once and you were not happy with the results, or you did not clear the exam, you want to give yourself another chance, and there's a lot of pressure first of all. And trust me guys, hats off to you who have chosen to go for a drop, because it is a very, very tough decision to stay at home for 1 year and prepare for an examination without any backup. So first of all, kudos to you. Stop underestimating yourself, because you have got a lot of assets while preparing as a dropper, and you can be the next AIR1 if your preparation is structured. Let us break down the routine of a CLAT topper as a dropper this year. Firstly, we need to understand the advantage we have, and our biggest advantage is time. Time is our asset. We don't have school, we have more time to prepare for the CLAT exam. And now that we just have like 50 to 60 days left for the examination, it is more than essential to have a structured plan. So, firstly, we need to balance out our day. What I will recommend is, don't have a specific timetable. For example, 7 o'clock getting up, 7:30 to 10:30 I'll be doing GK, 12 to 2 I'll be doing legal. Don't do it like that, because your every day will not be the same. Someday you might have some work to do, someday something else might turn up. I understand. But make sure then you have a to-do list, and at least 7 to 8 hours you are giving to your preparation, because you do not have school or any other thing to go for. 4 things as a dropper we have to focus upon. Firstly, are study hours. So make sure 7 to 8 hours you are giving to your exam preparation. Second, mock and its analysis. Third, rest and consistency. Don't feel like yesterday I studied for 12 hours, I'm done, today I'll take a break. No, be consistent each day, every day now counts. And lastly, revision and retention. Firstly, let's understand how will we be preparing for the 5 subjects. So as a dropper, you already know the concepts once, but its applicability has been an issue, right? So every day you have to do current affairs. Whether you're good at it, not good at it, doesn't matter. Make sure you are doing current affairs every day. Why? Because everything under the sun is syllabus, and no matter how much you do current affairs, it's never enough. Each day, dedicate 2 to 3 hours only to current affairs. Now, out of the 4 subjects, pick 2 sections that you will do daily to hone your concepts and practice. For example, today can look like GK, legal reasoning and logical reasoning. Tomorrow can look like GK, English and maths. Now, in a week, make sure as a dropper you are giving 3 mocks to have better preparation, to practice better and learn from our mistakes. After you have given a mock, let's say you have decided Wednesday, Friday and Sunday will be your mock days. After giving the mock, when you sit for its analysis, write down the 2 sections you are having a lot of difficulty. These 2 sections must be practiced daily till the next mock, and see whether there was an improvement. If there was no improvement, check why did the improvement not occur? What problem arose? Then again, pick up the 2 sections you're scoring lowest in and practice that section daily. Now, coming to subject-wise breakdown. Now, of course, we have such less time left towards the CLAT examination. When it comes to legal reasoning, if you are someone who has done the subject once or twice or thrice, it's okay. We have to revise the concept so that we don't forget something, right? So till now, all the marks, all the sectional tests that you have given since last year, especially in legal reasoning, pick them all up. Try to solve them. See if there is anything missing as of now. Are you still answering a question wrongly? Means that particular section, that particular topic definitely requires your attention. So make sure that you're revising that particular topic specifically, that you're still answering wrong. Any question you're getting confused in, see why you're getting confused. What was the correct option? Why did you pick the wrong option? What was your reasoning? What was the examiner's reasoning? Answer according to the examiner. So now that we have almost 50 days, so roughly around 20 to 25 days you will give to legal reasoning separately every alternate day. Every day you can pick one law with respect to its revision, and every 10 days you can re-revise the laws. So twice you will have re-revised. Okay? So for example, let's say today is your day for GK, legal reasoning and English. Then GK 2 to 3 hours you should give, in which you are doing some concepts of static GK, especially related to history, something that has been asked in the previous year question papers, and current affairs. Any particular 1 month you can pick up for each day and keep re-revising. Of course, with this you will also be reading the editorial and the newspaper, so that will take up roughly around 2 to 3 hours. Second subject is legal reasoning. So legal reasoning, today for example you pick up law of torts, 7 topics. Day after tomorrow you can do the remaining topics. So this way in 2 days your torts will be complete, revision part. Then coming to English, any specific topic you are still figuring out, for example tone of the passage समझ नहीं आता, theme of the passage समझ नहीं आता, so let's say you practice 4 passage based questions on those topics, because practice will make you better. Then another 1 hour you dedicate to analyzing this English sectional test that you have given. Why did you answer it wrongly? What was the examiner's thinking? What was your thinking? Right? Tomorrow again, CA current affairs will be similar, giving 3 to 4 hours, and remaining 3 to 4 hours you can be doing maths and logical reasoning. So practice and concept revision will go hand in hand. Also in this 7 to 8 hours, make sure you are also practicing the 2 sections that you are scoring lowest in the mocks, irrespective of it is that section's day or not, because that will help you to improve your score cumulatively. Now, very important, certain habits that will definitely help you as a dropper. Make sure that you give yourself a good sleep. A good 7 to 8 hours of sleep is important, guys. It definitely helps your mind to calm down. If you want, you can practice some meditation, some yoga, so as to keep yourself calm and relaxed. And whenever you start overthinking about whether you will clear the exam or not clear the exam, always remember one thing that I'm going to share. Right now, there is a possibility of you clearing the exam 50-50. As much is the chance for you to clear the exam is as much the chance of you not clearing the exam. But you are focusing on the not clearing part. Why? Why would you do that? Focus on the part where you will clear the exam as well, right? And the moment you start overthinking things, just stop everything, do anything that you like in that instant moment. For example, I like cooking, I find it therapeutic. So if I am overthinking something, I just go and make myself a sandwich. I'm thinking about the food now. So anything that you like, sketching, cooking, whatever it is, try doing that in that moment and try distracting yourself. Always remember that an examination is your hard work, perseverance and your luck as well. Whatever happens on that day, we don't have to worry right now. All we can worry about is our preparation. Just make sure, guys, that once the results come and somebody asks you, do you think you prepared your best? You did everything possible, you were not distracted and you were preparing your best? If the answer is yes, you have done your part well. Alright? I hope this was helpful, guys. See you in the next session. Take care and bye-bye.